All right. Our research article was called Evaluating Increased Effort for Item Disposal to Improve Recycling at a University. The purpose of the study was to evaluate a low-cost method to increase recycling on a college campus by removing trash cans from classrooms and making trash cans available only in the hallways next to the recycling bins. The study was relevant to the field of applied behavior analysis as they are trying to increase the behavior of recycling among the students at the university. Signs were placed in the hallway of the college campus to prompt the students to recycle.
The participants included students, employees, and visitors at a university in Southeast Texas, and the target location was a hallway leading to 5 classrooms and 2 office suites. The few students and employees who were aware of the purpose of the study were asked not to dispose of any items in that target hallway and not to discuss recycling on campus with others while the study was being conducted. The dependent variable was defined as correct recycling and the number of plastic bottles and aluminum cans collected from the recycling bins. Recyclables and trash cans were defined as the number of bottles or cans collected from trash cans, and items in the classroom were defined as the number of items left on the floor or desks that were larger than 2.54 centimeters, and non-trash can items were not scored.
For the procedures, number of days of baseline were not clear. The article states that baseline was taken in the spring semester and the second set of baseline was taken in the fall semester. For the design, an AB reversal design was used in this study. The first A is the baseline during the spring semester. The first B is the intervention, which was the prompts and trash cans removed during the spring semester. And the second A is the reversal baseline during the fall semester. And the second B is the second implementation of the intervention in the fall semester.
Based on the results recorded, recycling was low when there were signs and bins in the classrooms, but correct recycling was increased when the classroom bins were removed. At first, there were large amounts of trash left in the classroom, but as the intervention phase was introduced, there was a gradual decline in trash left in the classroom.